Are you an adventure seeker? Or an adrenaline junkie? We've got some interesting activities lined up that might get you all pumped up in our upcoming adventure. Join us for a deep sea dive. Off the coast of Agouti Islands, Cayman Adventures presents a captivating dive into pristine blue waters of the Pacific. Submerge into an amazing world at just $80 a dive. Here's what's included and what's not. Inclusions: scuba gear rental, free fun dive certificate, certified instructor, underwater photographs and video, transportation from dive center to the dive spot. Exclusions: food, transportation to the dive center, personal expenses. Forget the pressures of the surface and take a leap of faith into the peaceful water world. Recharge your mind now. Register yourself for the dive at www.caymanadventures.com.